I am Sawyer Kobabe and I want to show you how to make a cup of noodles. Before you do this at home, you should have parent permission or supervision. After you open it, you peel the lid off, but only halfway. If you really don't like the veggies, you can just throw them in the trash. Next, you need hot water. I use a kettle. You have to fill it up halfway with water. Now we're gonna boil the water. Have supervision by an adult or parent. Now we have to wait for the water to boil and we can play a game or do something else. When you see the steam, you can turn off the fire and put it in your cup of noodles bowl. Next, we're gonna open the kettle and pour the hot water into your cup of noodles until the noodles are covered. Be careful, it's hot. Next, you grab a fork and you close the lid and put the fork on so the steam can heat it up, and you can wait for 3 minutes or a little longer. You can put a 3-minute timer to wait. While you're waiting for 3 minutes, you can do the same thing as last time or do something a little different. Our timer just went off. Now it's time to enjoy it. You can dump out the broth if you want to. Enjoy. Are you taking a video?